Hello guys, today we will be seeing uh what happens when you remove the hard drive from a PlayStation 4 while it is on. Um I want to see what happens when you open it up in game. So I'm gonna open up War Thunder for this, and I want to see if it does anything. Oh, it's updating. Let's try Enlisted, and let's see if this will work. Will it still run for a little bit then fail, or will it crash? So as we're waiting for this game to load in, I, this disclaimer: do not do this. I don't know what will happen. It could break your device. It could break it. I mean, I wouldn't. I mean, I don't recommend it. I wouldn't do it. I'm only doing this for educational purposes only. Did I just turn it off? Well, I just turned it off, guys. But as I was saying, I wouldn't do this. I don't recommend this. So as it turns on, again, I bought this PS4 off a flea market. I bought 30 bucks for the console itself, uh, and then an additional 20 bucks for the controller. I bought it at a flea market, and I had to clean it up a little bit, and yeah, it was really dirty. I haven't even opened this up, and I don't really know the backstory of this. I did reset it though. And I just want to boot it up in a game to see how it would work. You can see my little screwdriver over here. You can see it boots up. Wondering how this would work. And I'm probably gonna be too lazy to edit this. Um, yeah. So I want to see. I want to see if I could unscrew it and unscrew it and see if it would work. Timothy, cool boy. Let's boot up and then let's boot up into Enlisted as we were doing. And I want to see if it freaks out or not. And what will happen. I'm gonna just like right now. I have it like screen share. I have it screening to my monitor right now. Um, just waiting for it to load in. As you guys can tell, sound device. Yeah, it's working. A good old PlayStation 4 stuff. It's kind of hot though. So it's been getting like really hot. So it's probably something I have to fix. Uh, it was So yeah, if it gets hot, I don't even know. I had to clean out this. Had to clean out this part, and I really hope this loads in. When I do get in a game, I want to see if I can get a kill, even though I suck at controller. And I bet you guys are gonna click off, and yeah. I think this is a 500 gigabyte hard drive. Yes, 500 gigabyte. This is regular PlayStation 4. Uh, I think it's a newer version of it because because it has the this part's different. Let's see whatever is in here. It's getting kind of hot though. This hat was like chilling. All right, let's see daily rewards. All right, we'll put up into the game. Start. No, I don't even know what I'm playing as. But hey, Hey, we're loading into battle controls. Hell, okay. And what do you guys think is gonna happen? Do you think it's gonna shut off or not shut off? I never played this on PlayStation. Oh, is it using? This is really odd. Oh, press triangle to go.
Ja! Ja! Los geht's!
Still loading into another Wi-Fi. Charge out into battle. Come on, let's get one kill.
Ich hab einen!
Yes, I
Ich hab einen! Oh, ja! Gesehen?
Our men are capturing the position.
Jump over the Make it.
Bin am Erobern!
Soldier, return now.
Oh.
Our mission is to hold our position. Well done, men. Let's attack the next
Alright,
position.
so now let's see what will happen if I unplug. I don't even think this is the right screwdriver. Yep, let me get a different one. And I think I just got. Oh, I'm gonna team crew. Hold on. This is for educational purposes. I did not advise. Let's see what happens. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I'm still in. I'm still in. No, I'm not in. I'm not in. Let's see what happens. Doesn't respond to the controller. I was in it for a second. Now, stop. Finally beeping at me. What if I unplug, move my computer SSD out of the way, unplug this, then turn it back on without the drive. Let's see what happens without the drive. Sony PlayStation. Put it back in, put it back in. Let's see. See what will happen. Let's see. Will it connect? Oh, did you see that? Did you see that? Connected dual shock using a USB cable. I have to run up and get a USB cable. I'll be back and let me get it. It does say, hold up, let me see. I want to see if this works. Connect the USB. What if I press cancel? I don't want to wipe this. Let's see. Oh, it just turned off. What if I have to hold the button to turn it off? Let's see. Will it or will it not connect? Cannot start PS4. Cancel. Now what if unplug it, put it back in, make sure it's in. Alright, you guys probably saw my beautiful face. My beautiful, magnificent face. My little gamer headset. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Uh, let's see. What if I put the screw back in? Will that fix anything? Like I said, I wouldn't recommend doing this since I don't know what would happen. Let's see. I did unplug it, and I'm gonna re-plug it back in. I bet it could. I bet it would read from the hard drive. It just doesn't want to. Plus, I'm gonna upgrade this to an SSD anyway, so I don't even care. Cause why the hey not? Like, who wouldn't want to? All right, let's see. Can I start the PS4? No, let's see. What happens if I just hold the power button down? Oh, you see that? Is it? Start PS4. Update system stop. They're using the internet. Yo, should I install Windows on this? If I get 150 likes, I will install Windows on this PlayStation. Windows 10. If I get 150 likes, I will install Windows Windows 10. Let's see. Yeah, I probably should have plugged this in Ethernet, but oh well. Take a little longer. Well, it is reading the drive though, which is good. Alright, I'm gonna put my mic over here. I don't know if you can hear that. Is that on properly? Hopefully I won that enlisted game though. Just updates. Alright. Let's see if it boots up into PlayStation OS or whatever it is. Software update. Okay, so it did boot up. Didn't it already update? Well, I'm just gonna pause the video here, wait for it to update. I don't want to bore you guys out. All right, let's see. So right now it is on the system storage status. It's probably gonna finish up soon, but I'm gonna pause again. Oh wait, no, never mind, never mind. Let's see, let's see. Oh, Sony PS4. Like I literally bought this controller used. Um, PlayStation used. Oh wait, it's booting up. It's booting up. Let's see. See important health. Yeah, blah blah blah. So I mean, it worked. I mean, it works. No, I mean, it works. 150 likes. I'll install I'll install Windows 10 on this. I mean, I'll see you guys later. Bye.